Hey guys, welcome to Night Devil Creations. Today we're making another everyday carry pin. See? Everyday carry. Alright. See you in a second. Alright guys, so I've been looking for a kit with these really cool knurlings. They have it here and then they also have it down in the couple other little spots here. But anyway, enough of that. We're using a plug from my normal JOB. Maple. Turns really beautiful. Made a pin out of this before. Tube, 8mm. Nice and easy. Let's drill this. Let's glue it up. Let's turn it. And put it together. Alright. I'll see you at the lathe. I don't know if I've ever said why I do a thin coat or 3-4 thin coats at the beginning. It's to seal any little grains that might be open. That thin gets in there nice, fills those up to where you don't have to put as many medium coats of the CA on. So that's why I do that. And don't be afraid to put more CA than what you're gonna need. Just makes life easier. Oh, guys. Woohoo! Didn't that just turn out great? Ah, beautiful. Anyway, so this is the pin kit. Just in case you guys don't remember. So this goes there. I've never made one of these, so that's why I'm like really kind of looking at this, because I do not want to mess this one up. Really happy with the way this turned out. I think that's about it there. Huh. What does it tell you to do? Assembly. Press the tip coupler into either end. Insert the cap coupler doing the ring clip and then press that one on. Wow. Could have figured that one out on my own. So It said to do this one first. Just a little bit more. There we go. Ta-da! This kit, these pieces, they are heavy. You can feel a huge difference. That is truly stainless steel. I can definitely feel that. Man, there's no crimes to hide. I like the way that one kind of... I like just how it shimmers, that right there, that little weird where the grain kind of turns on itself there. You guys know what I'm talking about? You see that? Where it doesn't know which way it wants to go. I mean, it's pretty looking, but it's not the prettiest looking thing on this pen, on that blank. I think that's probably normally a focal point of most woods, but they see how like this just like stripy or tiger spot, a leopard spotting in that, see? And then that one pops really hard, where this one doesn't pop as hard. Yeah, that's how we're gonna stick with it. There we go. Okay. We made it through the hard part, or the easy part, one of the two. Thread the click mechanism into the cap coupler. I don't even know what that means. I think they mean this. All right. Man. Oh. Come on, fat fingers. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, yeah. Oh. Oh my God. Oh. That is beautiful. Transitions just feel, oh God. All right, guys. Woo. I love this pen. And it's clickless. It didn't say that it was clickless. It says it's a click pen. You hear a click? Listen. Just a hair of a click. That's like a clickless pen, like a Vertex clickless. There's like no click. I'm going to say that's clickless. False advertising. Which makes me happy. Because you can just sit here all day. Anyway. Guys, if you like what you're seeing, subscribe for me. It helps me out. Lets me know what I'm doing is cool. What you guys like. If you guys want to see something in particular, let me know down in the comments. Alrighty. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. Dude, I'm making all 5 of these. I got 5 of these kits. I'm making all 5 of them. Not tonight. Not tonight. I gotta be on a plane in a few hours. But I'm so far behind because of my regular work. So we got aluminum, which is a little bit more chromish. I think they call this burnt bronze, which is really, really cool. That would look good with some, probably that blank. Black anodized aluminum, and then brass, which I'm glad they don't call this gold, because that's pretty cool looking. I like that. I don't know if the camera catches that good, but that's brass. That's good. I like that. Let me know what you guys think. Wood or acrylic blanks? Let me know in the comments. I think I just found one of my favorite kits that I am in love with. These things, and it's hefty, but it's not like a thick boy, you know. It's thin, but it's got weight to it. It feels good. I mean, I guess she is a little thick because I made her a little thick in the middle there, but I don't know. This is one of those happy medium. It's not too big and bulky. You know, it's using that 8mm tube in there, but it's got the weight. Now granted, when we go to this aluminum ones here, are they going to be light? Am I going to have to spend the extra money for the stainless steel? Or are they still going to have that weight to them? I don't know. I think this is my new everyday carry. We'll see. When we go on this trip, I'm pretty sure this one will get bought up during the trip. It's just a really classy look too. Kind of reminds me of the old cross pens. Anyway, enough waffling, enough just rambling, whatever you want to call it. Again, thank you for everybody that's been subscribing. The Blue Collar 2.0 giveaway will be done at the end of September of 2019. Get your entries in. I think I got like 3 entries. Come on, guys. Get your entries in. All right. Thank you, guys. I love each and every single one of you. I will see you in the next video. Peace.